Well, here I've been called out to do an insurance inspection report, and it's quite an interesting building this, because there's actually 3 roofs that I need to report on. This lower one here, which I've just got access to, and access is really easy using my extendable ladder, which is just there, which is a godsend. I do a lot of roofs which are single story domestic properties. But as you can see here, I'm taking measurements. I do my little stamping dance. The stamping dance on a roof just shows me if there's any soft points in the roof, if there's any deflection or anything like that in the roof. But on this particular roof, I've now got to get over another part of the building to the next roof, which is this lower one which I'm on now, then up onto this upper roof, so that I can do an inspection on this particular roof. Again, I'm up here, I take measurements, I have to have a really good look around, I do my stamping, and just where I am now I find a soft part, but I go around and I inspect everywhere. Here I found a little bit of blockage inside the pipe. I get that out while I'm there, and I just have to report back all these small misdemeanors. And here I just show you this is where the soft point is. But let's go over and have a look at some of the other things that I get involved with. Sometimes I can't get access onto a roof, and if I can't get access up onto the roof, I use like a long selfie stick, and as you can see by this, I can get really good views of what's going on, so I can report back a condition of a particular roof. On this day it was raining, you can see, but access was just too difficult for me to get out onto this roof, so I had to use the selfie stick, and I do that quite often. There's another one I've got to show you here, and this one I couldn't get up onto it because of the slates around it. Now note that most of these are domestic. Most of the things that we do are domestic roofs, reporting back the condition for the insurance. All I'm really trying to do with these is to just show the condition if there's any problems, just like this. This is oxidization of the lead, where it's rotting from the bottom upwards. We find this an awful lot on a lot of the roofs now. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of the kind of thing that we're doing when we're out doing inspections on roofs. Typical example, finding blocked hopper heads where the water's running over the top, and these kind of things get reported. Something like this doesn't fail a roof, but what it does is that I will report that to the customer as a separate item, saying, look, the roof's fine, but these things need to be done. And that's the kind of thing we get involved with. This, I just end this now on this particular one, which is me doing an inspection on a commercial roof. We do commercial, we do domestic. Most of the stuff is for domestic. Hopefully that helps. Speak soon.